A trick with the vegetable peeler. Great recipe with chicken breast, without oven. Let's start by peeling 2 potatoes, making very thin slices. Put them in a container and cover them with water. Next, cut 2 chicken breasts into small cubes. Remove the potatoes from the water and put them in a container. Add 1 egg. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. A tablespoon of wheat flour. And mix everything very well. I would be happy to know from which city you are watching us, so I can send you a super hug. Add the chicken cubes. Mix it all together. In a frying pan, put a little olive oil and spread it well. Now we can put the chicken and potatoes in the pan. Put the lid on and let it cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, grate 50 grams of cheese. It can be the one of your preference. With the help of a plate, turn the side to brown the other side. Add the cheese on top. Don't forget to tell me what grade you give this recipe from 0 to 10. Put the lid on and let it cook for another 10 minutes. And our recipe is ready, delicious and easy to prepare. Very nutritious. Thank you for watching so far. Until the next recipe, and bon appetit!